Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Briefing. We have some mostly cloudy to overcast conditions out there this morning. We continue to see that throughout the remainder of the day, as we'll have fairly breezy to windy onshore flow. Cloud ceilings around 2,000 to 3,000 feet today, and temperatures only in the upper 50s, so about 15 degrees below average for this time of year. Taking a look at our surface analysis, we have a strong area high pressure across New England, ridging down into the Mid-Atlantic states, and the pressure gradient is tight across the region due to an area of low pressure, mainly in the upper levels, with some weak surface areas of low pressure across the Tennessee Valley and southeast states. That's providing us with this fairly stagnant weather pattern as we move into today and tomorrow, before we see this system move through the region, for this area of upper level low move through the area on Friday. Looking at our current observation, we have a few clouds at 1,800 feet, overcast deck at 3,100 feet, unrestricted visibilities, winds in the northeast 50 degrees at 21 knots, gusting to 29 knots, temperature 53 degrees, and relative humidity at 80%. Taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we have abundance of cloud cover across the region, mainly in the low levels as well as the upper levels. Not seeing too much mid-level cloud cover out there this morning, but taking a look at some loop here, see clouds aren't really moving all that much as this upper level low remains off to the southwest, while the area of high pressure remains off to the northeast, and that's going to provide us with these cloudy conditions today. So looking at the 3-kilometer NAM model on how the derived reflectivity is going to play out on this model, you see all the rain showers moving from the coastal Carolinas inland and not affecting our region, and moving through Thursday morning, you can see very similar weather pattern. Those areas across the Piedmont of south central Virginia, as well as the northern and central portions of North Carolina, seeing lots of rainfall, having some flooding issues in those regions. But across our area, with this pattern remaining very stagnant and not moving, going to see no rainfall chances today or tomorrow, before we see a chance of some rainfall and even a chance of a thunderstorm on Friday. You can see here Friday morning at 9 local time frame, the 3-kilometer NAM brings in a band of showers and possibly some embedded thunderstorms. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll just have the main headline as the windy conditions. Gust up to 34 knots today, sustained out of the northeast at 20 to 25 knots. See those winds finally start to die down a bit tonight. Northeast 11 to 16, possibly down to 10 to 15 sustained, gusting to 24 to 25 knots. So it's a possibility or a chance that we will be able to cancel that wind advisory tonight, but most likely will remain in effect for the next 24 hours. Our high today will be around 58 degrees, so a chilly day along the coastline, seeing temperatures in the lower 60s inland. And then overnight tonight, not much of a drop or fluctuation in temperatures, as that onshore flow will keep our temperatures in the lower to mid-50s overnight, with an evening low of 54 degrees. Temperatures actually rising thereafter, with our winds decreasing off the water into the mid-50s overnight. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, not much change in the cloud cover today. A chance we see a little bit of reduced visibilities this morning until noon, with the overcast deck at 2,000 feet. But overall, should see our ceilings between about 2,000 to 3,000 feet throughout the day today. And then by this evening, our ceilings will drop once again as those winds become a little bit lighter. Should see the ceilings down about 2,000 feet after 8 o'clock this evening, or 20 local. Overnight, could see some ceilings down to 1,500 feet. Those winds out of the northeast still up and gusting into the 20s. We're going to see those ceilings well above 500 feet. And then for tomorrow morning, going to see continued cloudy conditions. A chance that we see some lower ceilings around 1,000 feet, but most likely our ceilings will be at 3,000 feet or greater by Thursday at 8 local. Our tides are 1 to 2 feet above normal, and we do have some minor coastal flooding occurring during the high tide cycles with the onshore persistent flow. Looking at our forecast for Thursday and Friday, you're going to see Thursday is mostly clouded, overcast, and breezy, a high of 65 degrees. Seeing those winds gusting around 25 knots on Thursday out of the east-northeast. So A little bit lighter winds and a little bit warmer on Thursday as compared to the last 2 days. Thursday night, overcast rain showers likely towards dawn. A slight chance of a bit of thunderstorm, a low of 59 degrees, temperatures rising into the lower 60s overnight. So an orange for precipitation, yellow for lightning, so about a 60% chance of rain, 20% chance of a thunderstorm. And our ceilings could be below 500 feet during the overnight hours on Thursday night to Friday. Then for Friday, we'll have overcast skies, rain likely, especially early, a chance of a bit of thunderstorm as well. We'll have a high of 70 degrees on Friday, rain likely, looking at about an 80% chance of rain, 30 to 40% chance of a thunderstorm. And our winds should be under 25 knots on Friday. Some of the models are increasing a southerly flow on Friday, but I do expect those winds to be under 25 knots. And we do have a chance of ceilings below 500 feet within that rainfall and thunderstorms moving through the region. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. We're back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.